This is your girl Ngina again with a new video. Today we are going to cook egg curry and rice, coconut rice. Karibuni tuanze kupika. Our rice is already imeiva, as you can see. There, our rice is ready. The ingredients of the day, we have onions, paprika, we have oil, cooking oil, coriander powder, garam masala, we have cooking cream, salt, and I've blended my tomatoes. Here there is blended tomatoes, pilipili hoho, and some dania. Let's get started. We heat our pan. So you can just put oil so that they can eat together. Just enough oil, not too much, not too little oil. And then we also have eggs. Sorry, I forgot to mention. We have eggs, we'll just shell them in a few. Boiled eggs. That is enough oil. So as we wait it to eat, we shell our eggs. So our oil has heated, so we can add our kitunguu. At this point, this is where I always add my salt so that the kitunguu can cook faster. That is a knack. If you want your kitunguu to cook faster, you add salt to the kitunguu. We continue shelling our eggs as the kitunguu cooks. Our kitunguu is almost done. We cook it until it's golden brown. Our kitunguu is done, so now we can add our spices. That is paprika, garam masala, and coriander. You can add the spices of your choice. Si lazima you add the ones I have added. Depends with your taste. The smell is so amazing. After the spices are cooked, now we can go in with our puree, our tomato puree. Told you there is tomato, pilipili hoho, and coriander, dania. Again, you can just use whatever you want to use, whichever vegetable you want to use for your soups, for your soup. For me, I've blended tomato, pilipili hoho, and dania. We wait for this to cook so that we can our eggs. Let's check our stew. It's doing well. As you can see, it's cooking. Iko sawa kabisa, imeiva. So now we can add our cooking cream. Liwe kidogo. Then now we add the eggs. Eggs ndio zinakuwaga za mwisho to add. Again, you can also add coconut cream if you have coconut cream. Again, you can also add milk if you don't have the two. You don't have the cooking cream and you don't have the coconut milk or coconut cream. You can add milk. Depending on the number of people you're cooking for, you can also add water in your soup. Me, this I think it's enough for my family, so I'm not going to add any water. Now we can add the eggs so that they can cook together with the cream. I've already shelled my eggs, as you can see, so we can add them. Then we let the stew cook a bit, at least to reduce in size. Then we add our coriander, the remaining coriander, then it will be done. Let's check our curry. It's now ready. Just add the coriander and serve. Switch off the gas. We are done. It's very simple. As long as you have eggs, the soup you can make using your own ingredients, nyanya and any other. Some people also add some. They add some people add tomato paste, but I don't use tomato paste most of the times, so we can serve our food and taste. I served my rice already. Just add my soup and we're done. See the way it's thick? This is the consistency I love. See? It's very simple. It's very smart. I've added avocado and a banana. So now we can dig into taste. See the way it's beautiful? Now you can taste the food. The rice, I said it's coconut rice. And then the curry. So yeah, very yum. And taste the egg. The food is so hot. You just have it, so it's very hot. My egg is well cooked. I like it very cooked. Baka the egg, the yolk is fully cooked. It's hot. It's nice. It's very nice. You people should try this recipe. Thank you for being with me in this video. And it's a bye-bye. Subscribe, like, share to your circles so that we can grow this YouTube channel together. And for now, it's a bye-bye. See you next time.